Hey everybody, it's Drew. Welcome back to my channel. I do appreciate it. In this video I'm going to do an inbox review of this Tamiya 1/72 scale Supermarine Spitfire Mk.1. And I'm going to be building this now because I've been building this other kit that I'll put out a video soon sometime. That's kind of driving me nuts. It kind of zapped my mojo, and I don't even know if I'll continue it, but that's for another video. But I want to build something quick and fun. This is the Tamiya Supermarine Spitfire. So let's take a look. All right, let's see what we have here. This is 1/72 scale Warbird collection, number 48, and it's the Supermarine Spitfire Mk.1. Here's one of the markings included. Number 610 Squadron, June 1940. And we've got more pictures here and also paint callouts. Let's take a look and see what we have here. Sorry. We have instructions. So pretty straightforward. We're going to start with the cockpit. Paint callouts. This is a paint mix here from Tamiya. I don't mix those up. I just have some Vallejo British interior green that I'll use, and some oxygen tanks and some little consoles on the side that you paint up. Then you assemble the cockpit. The seat and everything like that. There's a decal for the harnesses, which is fine on 172. I don't mind that at all. And you get different canopy choices. You get a blown canopy and a straight canopy. Landing gear, and put the wings together, the landing gear on. Yeah, it goes together pretty simply. Propeller, that's it. And then some painting. Looks like this is from the box art. It's pretty straightforward. It's British Earth and green on top and sky on the bottom. And you also get markings for the one here where the port side wing is, underside is black. I think I'm going to do that one because that looks pretty cool. Okay. And it shows here that everything on the underside of this black wing is painted black. Looks like even the landing gear. So if that's accurate, let me know. I know some planes, they painted like the whole bottom half black, not just the wing, and one wing was white or metal. I've seen differences, so I guess I'm going to stick with this one because I think for the most part I think it's probably pretty accurate. This is number 92 Squadron. It doesn't give the year, but they started doing these in during the Battle of Britain. In fact, it has a little note here on the painting the Spitfire. Beginning in 1937, the British Royal Air Force used a two-tone camouflage of dark green and dark earth. Several schemes were available for the undersurface, but beginning in June 1940, a greenish-gray color called Sky was applied. This was standard during the Battle of Britain. Later, it was changed to black on the port wing surface to distinguish aircraft from the enemy. Okay, so let me know if you have any thoughts on that, if you think that's accurate. I did look at other model manufacturers, and they have some have a scheme where it's just the wing that's painted black underneath, and some have the wing and kind of down the middle on the side. So I'll just go with this one because hopefully this was in a museum or something like that, and that's what Tamiya is basing it on. So there you go. And now we have decals. And okay, so pretty nice. You can actually read the lettering. If I can, I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, but you can read those. And again, there's the seat belts for or the decals for the harnesses in the cockpit. Man, those look pretty good. And yeah, so put these back in its protector. Yep. In there. Well, let me put that there. All right, here's clear parts. I'm just going to leave these in there. Don't want to take them out right now and get them messed up. So there's 3 different types of canopies, and they give you 2 different types of windscreens. So let's take a look at the plastic. There's only 2 sprues, and see, it's nicely molded, some recessed panel lines and some rivet detail. Same thing with the wings. And there's the instrument panel. So this is going to be really fun. I have built a Tamiya Spitfire before, and in the 172 scale, and they're just a blast to build. And here's the lower part of the wings. Some nice little details there. There's the prop. Exhaust manifolds and spinner. These are awesome. And you also get some poly caps. It looks like they give you 2, so use those for propeller. But that's it. That is it'll be a fun build. If you want to get your mojo back, I definitely recommend these little Tamiya 1/72 scale kits. Here is the Spitfire that I built off camera a while back. This is the Mark V Tropical, and I just had a ball building this. Just went together really well. But yeah, these are really fun. Had the azure blue. The decals from this particular kit were old. They did not go on very well. Actually, the kit was given to me by somebody who had a bunch of stuff in a storage container, and over time in the heat, it just kind of messes with the decals. So, but it also came with a really neat stand. But when my daughter got her cat, and I've never had a cat before, I realized that cats and models do not mix, and so she ended up destroying and breaking the stand. And so there you go. Also, I built it, well, because of that stand, I built it wheels up. These kits are not really initially made for wheels up. So what you got to do is you literally got to sand like half the wheels off to get them to fit if you want to do wheels up. So, but yeah, this is just an example of what these little 172 Spitfires look like. I would love to do this kit again, and maybe even the 148 scale version, because I love the color scheme. Isn't that awesome? So anyway, I'm going to put that over here. But anyway, this is what we're going to build next. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Enjoy, making videos and helping you guys out, and hopefully this will at least let you know what's in the box so you can make a buying decision. These are of course still available. They're pretty cheap, and you can have a lot of fun with these. These are great for beginners. So I'll build this and do a build video, and I will see everybody in the next video. Take care. We'll see ya. Bye-bye.